heading out of town to go put some tires on the Pontiac and get some clips of it, and also just like some pictures and whatnot in general, because everything looks really pretty right now with the leaves down, and that car looks awesome in the fall. So that's where I'm heading right now. Here we are. So I'm just gonna get straight to work, switch them over. That was easy. I'd say she's a little spanked. I mean, there's a little life on it, but not enough to like take it out. So here's the good old tire changer. All right, that one went pretty quickly. That was like 5-10 minutes maybe. So now it's time to test out the inverter and plug my air compressor in and fill this thing up. Oh no. Oh no. I really hope this has enough. This is gonna suck. Fuck me, man. Fuck me, man. How do I do that? So this kind of sucks. I literally just need air, and then I'm done with the tire and I can do the next one. But I was trying to, I guess, Google it on the internet, and it is true that you only need like 2,000 watts to run this. But it said if it's a 2 horsepower, you need like almost 8,000 watts to start it. This thing peaks at 4,000, so not quite there. The only other one of those things though was like really, really big. Like it was obviously meant for way more, but it was like a massive, and I would have nowhere to fit it on my truck. So I'm not gonna buy another inverter. I'm going to buy a smaller compressor. The problem now though is that I am an hour away from my house, and I'm like in the middle of everything, and I don't want to leave. I want to just finish it. So I'm trying to brainstorm what I can do to get this tire to bead. I already tried using that to obviously put something flammable in it and then light it, so sometimes they explode and then it grabs on. That didn't work whatsoever. I was probably doing it wrong. I think that can's about out anyways. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Well, there's a Walmart like 20 minutes from here, I think, so I guess that's really my only option, is just to go to that Walmart and buy a very small air compressor. I think like 0.5 horsepower or something, just to be safe. Maybe 1 horsepower, but I don't know. I don't even want to risk it. I think 1 horsepower takes 4,500 to start and like 1,000 to run, and that thing maxes out at 4,000. So I don't know. It might just be a 0.5 horsepower. I don't really care about the horsepower. It's as long as it just holds enough air to bead the tire. But I wouldn't even care if I had to pump it with a tire pump after, as long as I can get it beaded. I swear, every time I wake up, it just costs me money. So I think this is like a 0.5 horsepower. I think it draws like 1,500 watts continuously or something, and it's a gallon. So this should be more than enough. Obviously, the one I have in the back is frigging massive. This is about what I need. So I don't know. I'll just see if I can get rid of my other one, or I'll just keep that for the home, and this will be my on the road one. But this should be powered like more than easily. So gonna fill up, because of course I don't have any gas either. So I'm gonna go get fuel, get something to eat, and then go back, change the tires over. Well, let's see what happens. Turn this on. Now I'm gonna turn this on. Good. This thing holds a fair amount of friggin' PSI as well, so I think we're in the clear. spent my entire morning trying to mess with this car and about an hour trying to get this tire on just to find out there's a big ass slash in it and it will not hold air. So that was a waste of time. I don't have any other tires with me. That's the only other tire I have, so can't really put one on because the other one's still bald. So just that's it for the day. That's all we get. Well, that was pretty disappointing. Like I said, there's not really much I can do, but I guess when I do get more tires for it, which will still be soon, I'll grab some tires for it. When I get the tires though and make another video, I'm not even gonna have any before or after stuff. I'll just pretty much jump right into it, and I'll try and just make the next video really entertaining because this was disappointing.